Today we are here at Deanthorpe, our trial site here, and we invited all the partners to come together here to showcase the technology which we developed as part of the CLASS program. And here we are showcasing two trackers, the Availon radar providing non-cooperative surveillance and the Airbus DroneIt providing the cooperative surveillance, together with Unifly to show how a real-time UTS system can operate for drone technologies. Availon have developed a world-leading holographic radar, which we believe is the right system for drone surveillance. And in CLASS program, we provide the non-cooperative surveillance using our radar Gamekeeper system. It's a system which continuously steers and able to report on drones in a continuous manner.
Airbus is involved in some ATM project, so we have some deconfliction tools to detect when aircraft are going to collide and what are the solutions to avoid the collisions. The idea was to apply these tools to the drone traffic, which is emerging. But the drone is not visible at radar, so we need to equip the drones with a device which broadcasts its identity position, as this is exactly what we have here. This is a drone identifier tracker. So this small ship here is just broadcasting data, so we're broadcasting position and ID, to turn every drone visible so that you can know where they're flying and avoid them.
ENAC was in the CLASS project to build the use case scenarios of the use of drones within U-Space, which is the European sky for drones and or unmanned aircraft.
As a Unifly system, we are used to get a lot of tracks from different sources and different streams into our system. And the goal is to provide one single real-time output on a display. And this way we provide for an authority user a real-time interface and a real-time display so that he can judge on. We get the non-corporate tracker from Availon together with the cooperative tracker for Airbus, and we can display that on our screens. So this way we will have a lot of information in the screen. It is in real time, and that's a very important next step.
This was the first time we really, as a family, came together. We all believe that the technology working is the right one, and we believe we are the one who can actually make it happen. And we believe that the system like this will give the ability to track drones and in a manner which will really serve use space. But we also demonstrated that we have a classification system which can select the right target and report it as the drone. We were immensely pleased to see all the visitor interest. They really appreciated where we are with this technology, and they can see a future in how a system like ours can really make use space a future success.